Before we out there, Scotty, I'm here to give you my honest farm review of this DEWALT Drill Bit Set. It's for use with the connectable case system, which you can lock these drill bits in. Pretty easy to use number marking deal. You can kind of see what you got. That's pretty much most any size you'll need. You probably break these little ones first. And as far as sharpness, we've had a set of these before, and it seems like they last for so long, and it's time to get a new one. But like the heavy duty case, easy to see, easy to look at. So I think we'll be happy with this in our toolbox. So that's the DEWALT Drill Bit Set.